Hello, and welcome to a quick tutorial for CIOview's TCOgo for Carbon. It's one of our most streamlined tools, but it shares core features with many of our other products. In the top right, you'll be able to save your project, open a previously saved project, reset all values, as well as open a page-specific video tutorial. Modified inputs are bolded so you can easily see what's changed. To reset a value, right-click and then left-click Reset to Default Value. Each question will have a helpful hint. Hover over the icon and you will see information about that specific question. If you see a magnifying glass with a plus sign, that means there's a detail page for that question. Click on it and you'll see more relevant information as well as additional inputs. Most of our products include advanced sections for each page. These are for power users. However, TCOgo for Carbon does not have advanced sections. TCOgo for Carbon builds a side-by-side comparison between two enterprise storage systems, factoring in manufacturing, transportation, and system operation. Disposal and recycling are coming soon. The first system runs at typical wattage, and the second at near maximum. Now let's jump in. Start with your basic info. Based on your data center location, electricity costs and carbon costs should be accurately estimated, although you can make changes however you see fit. Next, you would input your power usage effectiveness. This is a measure of how efficient the data center is. A value between 1.2 to 1.4 is efficient, 1.5 to 1.8 is typical, and over 2 is relatively inefficient. Hover over the helpful hint icon for more information. Next, you can make adjustments to your power source selection. Make sure that the total equals 100%. At the bottom, you'll see your carbon intensity. This is a measure of how relatively clean or dirty your power is. You can compare it to other places around the world on the chart in the right. On the next page, you'll select default workload. This adjusts the total raw storage as well as utilization rates. However, if you make adjustments to the component quantities, the raw storage will adjust automatically. If you would like to add an expansion with different types of drives, you can do so here, and you have some tables at the bottom of the page. Now you input your second system. Changing items like drives can have a big impact. Remember that the drive quantity should fall within the dynamic range at the bottom here. The carbon breakdown page compares the emissions from operations, includes the number of trees needed to offset the carbon from running the system, as well as the carbon from manufacturing and transportation. The what if page shows the main drivers for the analysis. You can see it's broken into sections. The transportation section allows you to adjust the percentage of air versus truck transport for each system independently. Here's your report. Thanks for watching, and remember to reach out to CIOview for custom financial analysis solutions. Emphasis on TCO and ROI. Thank you.